I look like a school teacher today, but that's okay. Hey y'all, oh my gosh. Hey y'all, so I just got a public goods packet. I like things that are cheap. If you have been watching this channel at all, you know that I'm a very budget conscious person and I like getting lots of like budget friendly things. How often do we buy things and then we get rid of those things? I'm trying to find more products that are inexpensive so that way I can not be constantly buying new products. I can save money. And so I really like public goods because they have a lot of things that are like reusable and are good for the environment, good for your body, and are just like cleaner products. So I did order some things and I wanted to do an unboxing today and just like show you guys what I got and is it worth it? Is public goods worth it? I'm always skeptical of a little bit of those things because sometimes I feel like green living type of products are a lot more expensive, and sometimes I think it's just like a marketing tactic and a marketing ploy to get people to buy things. But I like public goods because it did seem not very expensive, and that is something that I really keep in mind a lot. So here we go. It came in this huge box and I guess let's just unbox it, right? Okay, lots of brown paper. So let's see what we got here. So, oh, I got the Walnut Scouring pad. It comes with 4 pieces and this is supposed to be for I guess like scrubbing dishes. And so my husband and I, we actually just use like the plastic, the little like stick with the little scrubber on it to scrub dishes. So I really wanted to try these ones out. This is from 100% recycled fibers. It definitely feels like different than if you buy regular sponges. It feels a little bit different and thinner, I feel like. Ooh, we got some cookies. So I got the crispy oatmeal cookies. Here, I'm gonna show you guys. Let's try them. Let's just try them right here on camera. These are good. They're like the kind of snack, like very snackable cookies where you can just like pop a ton of them in your mouth. Yes. These cookies are supposed to be better for you, healthier for you. I don't know, but they're good, so I'll keep eating them. The next thing we got here is, ooh, I like this actually. I don't even know what it is. So I actually picked all this stuff out and I don't even remember what I picked out. So these are produce bags. So you know when you go to the grocery store and they have like those plastic bags and you put your produce in, if you do that. So these are to replace them. So I would just pop these in my grocery bag, and whenever I'm gonna go get produce or something, they're not huge, but I definitely think like your produce can fit in this. So instead of using the plastic bags, and I've actually been really wanting to get these just because, yeah, it does seem like a bit of a waste to just like get the plastic bags and put produce in them. So these you can just probably pop them in the wash. I probably wouldn't dry them in the dryer, probably hang them dry, but yeah, awesome. Okay, next thing, we got the bathroom cleaner. So this is supposed to be like a cleaner version of bathroom cleaner. Usually we just use bleach, but if you have been around bleach for a long time, you will know that it can mess with your head. Yeah, I use bleach to clean a lot of things, but sometimes the smell really gets to me and I can get a headache from it. So I really wanted to try the bathroom cleaner. And this is supposed to be paraben free, vegan friendly, gray water friendly, not sure what that is, but cool. Gluten free, natural fragrance, and cruelty free. So really it's just like more of a natural bathroom cleaner, I guess, but I don't know, we'll try it today. I actually need to clean the bathroom today and see if it works. All right, the next thing I got is these little reusable bamboo straws. Now, I don't really use straws, to be honest. I mean, except at the, I guess like when you go out to eat. I guess you could use these when you go out to eat. I never thought of doing that. I might actually start doing that. If, you know, when you go out to eat and they give you a straw, or if you want a straw, you could just bring this instead. Hey, this is actually pretty nice, actually. So it actually is made out of bamboo. Like, you can see the bamboo in it. You probably can't see it, but. And I actually really like these. They're just in this little bag that you can probably clean. And you could probably bring it on a trip if you're gonna go out to travel somewhere and you don't wanna use their plastic straws. Yeah, I actually can see me using these a lot. The next thing that I got, and this is the thing I'm the most excited about, is ramen noodle soup. Like little, okay, so you know how like you get ramen noodle at the store and it's supposed to be really bad for you? So this is supposed to be a healthier version. It is a little bit pricey. I think it was like $9 for this packet, and it comes with 5 of them, but I really wanted to try this, and so I'm gonna make some soup today, and I'm gonna show you guys if it's any good, because this is the thing I was the most excited about. A healthier version of ramen. Like, yes, we like that. And then I think the last thing we've got is, I don't really know. This is the garlic habanero hot sauce. So, there you go. The garlic habanero hot sauce. My husband and I, we do love hot sauce, so I'm excited to try this out as well. Hey, maybe I can put it in the ramen. In total, I didn't get too much stuff, but I'm pretty happy with the way everything looks, the packaging. Really the best way to, I guess, review is to try everything out. So I think I'm gonna try some of the things out. So Public Goods did sponsor this video, just saying. They did give me everything for free. They did not tell me what to say, but I really like their product so far. I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. And if you guys are interested in getting anything from Public Goods or just checking out their website, they are, again, pretty affordable, I think. The ramen, I think some of their food is like a little bit more expensive, but if you're looking for a healthy option, then definitely I think it's worth trying. I think if you're looking for like reusable things and like you don't want to buy the other sponges, or you want to get a produce bag to put your produce in when you go grocery shopping, then I definitely think Public Goods is worth trying out, and at least worth browsing their website. I'm going to post a link in the description if you guys are interested in checking them out. So I'm going to actually try the ramen today. I actually am going to clean my bathroom today. So I just finished cleaning, oops, that's the wrong way. Just finished cleaning the bathroom with the bathroom cleaner. It smells really good. It has a bit of like an oaky scent to it, but it smelled really good. It was pretty gentle. The only thing I didn't like was this little spray bottle kept kind of getting stuck right here, and I would have to like press it again. That's really the only complaint I have, but it did the job, and now my bathroom smells really nice. Okay, so I'm about to make the ramen noodles. It says that it has no added MSG or preservatives, and it's made with a non-deep fried method. So healthy ramen, essentially. And here's the ramen. Okay, the moment of truth to eat this ramen. Oh gosh, it's so hot. It smells like soy sauce. So the noodles are very nice though. They look like actual real noodles compared to like other ramen. The ramen tastes really good. I feel like this would be better with if you like add like a chicken to it, you add like veggies to it. This is a really good ramen like base to add things onto. It's pretty simple. It honestly just tastes like maybe like a soy sauce type of seasoning. I got the original, and next time I'm definitely gonna add probably like a chicken or like a veggie to it. I definitely feel like it's a great base, healthy ramen. So if that's something you're interested in, again, you guys can try it down below. I'll post a link in the description to Public Goods. I'm gonna eat my ramen, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.